Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Mark's Garage. In today's episode, we're going to change out the stock front grille in our Jeep Sahara. We're going to change it to this black called Angry Grill. Instructions are in my hand, looks really simple. I'm going to take you step by step. Let's get going.
All right, so these are the tools you'll need to do the job.
All right guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these easy buttons. We're going to use our easy button tool remover and we're going to start pulling these things out. Keep those all together. Don't lose them. All right, and that should free up the whole top. Next, we're going to remove that clip, that clip, that clip, and that clip. So these are only made of foam, so you got to be really careful not to tear them. I actually switched over to a little wider tool for taking out these clips. So we're going to put this under here. I'm going to be very careful not to break it. I'm going to pop that up, okay? I'm going to do that to the next one. Pop that up. Looks like it's glued on there a little bit. You're going to reuse these. I'm going to put that one there. The second one. And you can see these clips. They look like a little bit of a Christmas tree. All right. So be careful not to break those. Put those aside. You're going to need those. We're going to be really careful. We're going to pull this forward. And there's a bunch of clips down below. We're going to loosen those up and we're going to pull it forward. Okay, so that already looks like it's already loose. As you can see, there's clips down below. So pretty much all loose. There's a couple more I got to pop out. There we go. All right, so that all comes off, as you can see. You see the clips down below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys, so the next thing we're going to do, we pulled the front grille off the Jeep right here, stock. We have to remove this front gasket. That's part of the stock grille because that gasket needs to go on the new grille that we're going to install. The existing shroud that's on there, forget about it. You're not going to need it because the manufacturer gives you a brand new one. So let's do that now. But I'm going to show you with my pry tool. Get in each one of these clips. Just be patient. You know, you don't want to fling they're kind of springy, so you don't want that to fly off and hit you in the face. And you don't want to break it, and you don't want to pinch your finger, which would hurt. All right, so you're going to pry that off. You're going to reuse these for your new grill. Okay, and you got 2 over here. That comes off. Should have taken this one off first, but it doesn't really matter. So we've got all our clips right there. There are clips also on this gasket that we're going to need. So I've already pried out the first one. Looks like a little bit of a Christmas tree. You're going to reuse these. Just get your pry tool as tight in as you can. Comes off real easy, okay? That's the piece we're going to reuse. The rest of this, do whatever you want. We've got our brand new grill. There's a couple things we have to do. We have to put all these clips that we pulled off previously of the other grill. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. There's alignment pins on this. You simply want to line them up. And all of the recess holes, if you look really closely, receive each one of those bolts and the nut goes on the other side. So we're going to install those right now. So we've installed our shroud that came with the new grill. We've installed the gasket, part of our old grill. Now we've got to install the wiring harness that goes to the lights for this particular grill. So let's go to the Jeep. We've got our front grill loosely into place. We've run our wire for all of these lights. I ran it through the body of that light, just above it. Push that into place, and you'll hear it click. Take all of these push pins that you had, put those in. All right, just make sure those are all in place. That one wasn't, but it is now, which is awesome. So we've got our grill snapped into place. All the pins are pushed in. We got to put these 2 foam pieces back into place. These are the ones that look like a little Christmas tree. Just make sure you push them in straight in. Let's push down, great. All right, guys, so installation is complete. We've got the new black Angry Grill installed. Pulled out the old one, wired the new one up. It's wired to the fog light relay. So pretty easy installation. I think anybody can do it. Take your time, be patient. Thanks for watching another episode of Mark's Garage, and we'll see you next time.